Campro, established in 2003 by a team, has decades of experience in machine design and company management. And we take a customer-driven strategy into the marketing and try to provide best meet them the needs and try to provide products to in today's high competitive business environment. Campro name is composed of the Cam and Pro. The Cam means computer additive manufacturing, and this is an indispensable technology in the machine tool processing industry. And Pro means professional. So our name delivers we are a Cam user and perform the high quality professional machine to the market. And the Campro have 5 core values: quality first, and service foremost, integrity and dignity, and the professional team and the innovative technology. So that means the Campro is a professional team which has the innovative technology, and we take the integrity and dignity attitude to provide a high quality product and service. Our main products is CNC machine center and the CNC lathes. Besides that, our production line also including the double color machine center, turning milling centers, and 5-axis machine center, and also the smart factory management system. The success of our product line is evidenced by the worldwide customer bases and industries, including the water industry and bicycle industry, aviation, and also electronic industry. We provide a service to our customer worldwide and through the 3 global service centers and the headquarters in Taiwan. And we also maintain the service facility in China and North America. Besides that, all our distributors in the world must have the ability to repair and provide their local customers with the first-time service support, very important to Campro. We provide a suitable working environment and try to wish it to attract the people who would like to working with us and contribute their expertise to the company. And we create an environment with very good communication and try to make the people easy to share their experience and talking to their supervisor or higher management. I think that will help the people working in Campro. We try to working very hard to facing this pandemic. So I think not only Campro, but the other companies also. We will continue to keep the spirit of the Taiwan excellence in our product design and promote our product worldwide. We believe that is the responsibility of the Taiwan brands and also Campro. If you would like to know more information about Campro, you can Google and link to our website and leave some messages to us and maybe asking some questions. It will become the next subject we photo the video. Thank you.